I'm Frank Steitley. I'm going to show you how easy it is to manage projects in Clarity Practice Management. I'm going to click on Projects from the Explore tree on the left, and I like to call this the mother of all project management screens because you can literally find any project regardless of the status by coming to this screen. You can look up projects by an almost endless number of criteria if you know part of the project name of the client name. For instance, if I know a piece of the client name, I can hit the search button and all of the projects associated with that client will show up. I can also search by the person or by the staff member who's either the person in charge, the partner, the preparer, the reviewer. And you can see I have some other criteria: received engagement letter, whether the e-file is rejected. We can search by project status, and this is what the client sees as a status. We can sort or search by workflow step. This is our internal workflow steps. Search by project type. For instance, we can say, give us all the returns that are S corporations. By duration, in other words, how long a project is. Project state, whether it's active, completed, extended. Client delivery method, whether or not they've elected tax letter assurance, by the priority of the return, also by expected delivery date or project due date. I'm going to select myself as the person in charge, hit the search button, and in a few seconds, this is going to give us all the projects where I am the in charge person. And you can see there are 106 of these. You can sort this project list by any of the headings. One of my favorites is to sort by workflow step. And that gives me all the projects that are in a particular workflow step. Of course, I can sort by any of the other headings. Another favorite one of mine is to sort by preparer. And of course, you can sort by age. You can also have preparers manage themselves, or have your staff members manage themselves. One of the ways to do that is that they can look at their own returns that are in progress. And in this case, I'll pick a preparer. Hit the search button. And all of the returns where she is the preparer now comes up on the screen. You can see there are 64 of those. And it's possible, again, to sort any way that you'd like to sort. One of my favorite is days, so that they can sort by the oldest returns to see what they should be working on next. If you want to go to a particular project, it is as simple as right-clicking, open a new tab, and now we can do anything on this project that we want to do with it in terms of notes or advancing to a later step. So that's how easy it is to manage projects in Clarity Practice Management. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. If you have questions, by all means, contact us.